the X4M parked next to the M4. Clean, clean, clean. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well out there. It's Monday evening. Just finished up a nice little lift, chest day at the gym. I really love the X5M, but that's, I think, my first time seeing the X4M in person up close like that. I must say, I really like it. Jesus, somebody is mobbing out there. Anyways, if you guys had a good day, I'm gonna head home. Gonna go to the grocery store first and go cook up some dinner. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that sub button if you haven't already. Join the Freezy fam. Let's get to it. I just washed my car the other day, yesterday actually, so that's why my brakes a little squeaky. Fluffy dog. Sheesh. Yeah, beautiful day out. Late summer, late July. I should say midsummer. Hope you had a good weekend. I spent the weekend down in Vancouver, Washington. We went to Washougal, which was Washougal's a area. We went to the Washougal MX Park and watched the dirt bike races on Saturday. So that was really fun. My first time ever doing something like that. I've always wanted to ride dirt bikes and my family used to have a cabin up near the mountains up here in Washington, Crystal Mountain, if you're familiar with the area, and always wanted to grow up riding dirt bikes, but never got the opportunity to. So it's never too late though. Never too late to learn. So maybe one day, but it was really cool seeing them race on that track. Fun time. Inside the track, so you know there's like a circuit and you could take a tunnel underneath the track and then pop out on the inside of it and then watch from the inside out, and it was super fun. You'd be right up on the fence line watching them race, so it was was a great time. All right, well, everybody, I appreciate you for tuning in wherever you're listening from. I hope your life is going well. I hope your week is off to a great start. It's only Monday, man. We got a long way ahead of us, but we're blessed to be here, and I'm thankful for your support. Thanks for tuning in again today for another video. If you haven't already, hit that sub button, join the fam, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see next. And I'm gonna get back to my life. Go live my boring routine that is gratefully broken up with the joy and the awesomeness that this car provides. So yep, that's all for me. I appreciate you watching. Let's pop out, take one last look at the whip in the sunlight. Like I said, I washed it finally, so we got a little bit less brake dust. I didn't really wash the wheels that much, as you can see, but there she is. My dream car that I'm so lucky to have every day, man. I count my blessings. You never know when your time's up in this world. So with that, I'll leave you to it. Have a great evening, great morning, whatever time it is that you're listening in, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.